up in northern Michigan, and I'm getting to shoot my Lyman's Great Plains rifle kit, flintlock, 54 caliber that I built over the last couple years. And if you've been watching my channel, you've seen it progress. Well, I've got it up here and she's completed. So I browned the barrel. You've seen that up in the Upper Peninsula. The bear tracks with the copper toes. On this side of the rifle, I've got a cross that I inlaid. I have my uncle's names and my father's name. This side plate, I custom cut that out with a piece of sheet copper. So I have flashed the pan, but I have not put a charge on the barrel yet. So in full disclosure, you're going to see it. If you watch the firing of the Traditions flintlock, the first firing of the review, you'll notice that on the first time shooting it, all I put down was powder and a patch. So that's exactly what we're going to do this time, for the same reasons. I can retrieve a patch a lot easier than I can retrieve a ball. Fill the pan up a level, which puts it just about to the touch hole. And since it's just a following charge, I'm just going to shoot it down in the swamp. Now that is nice. That's a quick lock time. Impressed on how fast the lock was on it. Impressed that it went off. So I'm going to set up a target downrange here, and we're going to put a hole in it, I hope. Okay, I set up just a jug down there, old water jug, just to shoot at. I'm not really worried about trying to get her sighted in today. I just wanted to see it go off, feel it go off, and show it to you guys. So let's put a charge down the barrel and put a ball behind it and see what happens. This is 50 grains of 3F. Yes, I use 3F basically in about all my rifles. I like it. I seem to have a little faster lock time. The gun seems to go off a lot better for me. Now I do have a 20 gauge black powder flintlock shotgun that I'm going to shoot here in a little while too. So I am going to use 3F in that, but I'm going to step down my charge. Instead of what they would say 60 grains of 2F, I'm going to use 50 grains of 3F. And it'll be the first firing also. Well, that loads nice and easy. Yeah, I know the camera's set up on the wrong side. Oh, and these, the back trigger's a set. The front trigger is the go trigger. Well, except for the first fall of the hammer where it didn't spark. The second shot went off and the jug is laying on the ground, so let's go see what the jug looks like. Well, here's the water jug. And it's just a clear plastic water jug, empty. 54 caliber hole on the way in, 54 caliber hole on the way out. That's from a different shot. So you can see it leaves a nice large hole. I built this rifle to hunt with, to compete with, and as a, you know, a family heirloom of some sort. Maybe my grandkids or great grandkids at some point will hunt with this and shoot a deer with it and look at these names and wonder about the stories that are involved in them. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the series. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, ask questions. I'm glad to ask questions. Hopefully the next time you're going to see this rifle will be with either a plaque from winning a shoot or a nice deer. Doe or buck, don't matter to me. We can put some meat on the table with this thing. Happy trails on completion.